What is going on, everybody? It's Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. Today we're going to look at a funky chord progression. You can utilize this progression anytime you just want to jump on the piano and play a little groove. But if you pay a close attention to this progression, you can actually hear that these chords are used in many popular songs. All right, here we go. What's the progression? Now, what are the chords that I'm playing in this progression? I'm playing a D flat major 9. I'm playing a C sharp 5 sharp 9. And I'm playing an F minor 11. Now, I can use different voicings for this progression. Another voicing that I could use could be something like this. However, the feel is completely different, and I like this register a lot down here because it adds a lot of beefiness, some thickness to the progression, and the voicings are just much tighter. So, what's happening in my left hand? In my left hand, I'm playing Let me break that a little bit down for you. In the first part, I'm playing this, D flat, C, F. Now watch me do this walk up. Okay? Now sometimes when I'm playing this, I might even do this. I like big jumps, okay? And so I like that jump right there. Here we go. Now watch this. So it's boom, 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 boom. So let me play the whole thing slowly in my left hand. Boom, 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 boom. Now let's put the whole thing together real slow. Well, there you have a nice little funky progression to add to your arsenal of chords. Also, just some nice chords for you to play. I certainly recommend you try practicing this progression in other keys. Before we end today, I want to talk about someone that was in my life that passed away this week. His name is Andrew Green. He was my cousin. We were actually, for a time, we lived together. Frankly, we spent much of our early childhood and even our teen years together. And the reason why I mention Andrew is he was my sparring partner when it comes to playing drums. So if you play music for some time, you'll find that you'll grow in seasons where you have someone else who's playing the same instrument as you, and you guys are always competing against one another. And so me and Andrew would often compete on who was the better drummer. And we played in the same church for a long time, our granddad's church, together, just right on drums. And this week he passed away, and he was the first sparring partner musically I ever had. And so just dedicating this episode to him. Well, until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.